So these are the handles. They came packaged like that. Usually lay some cardboard over the engine compartment so we don't get anything down in there. Using a wheel chock brings the hood down without it shutting all the way. So what it is, I took the handle and set it on some cardboard. Actually, the box it was shipped in. Cut it out. Perfect width, perfect length. Screwed the screws into the holes and then punched them into the cardboard. So I made myself a little template, and that was easier to manage, so I could line things up right where I wanted them. Bam. Drill the holes and install it. Okay, got the handles in order. I'm just trying to figure out where to place them now in perspective to the grill marks. I think I've come up with this one here. Okay, I think it's going to be about in the center there. Okay, we're going to pre-drill these holes a small bit. One. Two. Okay, so let's see where we ended up. Right there on that turn. So over here, it's right there on that turn. Awesome. Okay, gonna finish drill now for the screws. So, using a bit for whatever size screw you end up using is the one we're going to use. Okay. Here we go. Let's see. Now let's see if that works. Okay, I got the holes drilled. Taking a little plastic dip, a Q-tip. I've already done it a few coats, but just to show you. Shit, you can't see the hole. Okay, well there's the hole there. And I've taken the Q-tip with the plastic dip, gone all over them, both of them. all the way through the frame underneath there. And the top ones, of course, are plastic, so that doesn't matter. Now, time to mount. This is the hardware I actually used. Some of the shorter screws machined with the hex head in the back, where it just went through a single layer of the hood, and the longer ones in the front, where it went through the brace and the hood, and both of them went through the louvers. Some stainless washers I rubber coated, and some blue thread locker. Here's the actual bags of the hardware. This is the back. Excuse me, this is the front, and this is the back. Here's the hardware they actually sent with the handles. Some studs that actually have little Allen heads, where you can put an Allen wrench in the end of it there, and it screws into your thing, and then you run your washer and your nut. But you know, if I was to do that, I'd probably use a nylon nut, at least so the vibration wouldn't knock it loose down into your motor. So anyway, I went with that, and I'm going to Loctite it down and going for the install now. Okay, going to install the handle. Going to drop a little Loctite in there. And maybe a little bit on those holes. Okay. A little bit on this thread. I did a stainless steel blacked out flat washer. Rip off that excess a little bit. Okay. Get them both started before you start tightening down. Give it one last look, and then begin the process. Okay. Come up top. Kind of make sure you might get a little bit of play here. But you can adjust it. Screw it in nicely. Alright, starting to tighten up. I did not put a flat washer on this one because it's right on that corner. I just opted to make the handle centered on the louver rather than to bring it back and try and go through a flat spot. So, but you know what? It's super tight. So I'm going to snug these down. Oh, I like that. Yeah, it's super tight. That is nice. Probably around 18 to 20 inch-pounds. Maybe like a bicycle tire or bicycle nut or bolt, nothing major. Alright, so that's pretty cool. Barely visible. And that is all in there. One down, one to go. Okay, we're all done. We're going to shut the hood. There's where you put that little kill switch. Don't want your battery dying with your hood up all day. Alright, so the handles are on. Oh shoot, did I put them on backwards? No, just joking. Well, I've seen them on both ways. This seems to be the way that works the best for me, which is the way 90% of the people do it, so I'll go with the masses on this one. Pretty cool. Nice, I got like 7% left on my battery. So she's about to die. Okay, you can see here I put the toe straps in between usually, and when I'm on the trail and it doesn't fall off with the handles. Yeah, pretty cool. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day.